Hey everybody, it's Rebecca. Wow, the joys of filming in your son's house. I, I'm only going to film here. I'm going to go home for my live tonight and upload this video because the internet here is horrible. But I thought I'd do some filming while I'm dog sitting. So I've just kind of invented a little setup here. So hello, it's Rebecca. Welcome to Crafting Journey with Rebecca. So yes, of course, I got paid yesterday, and today was my Saturday trip to Hobby Lobby. I kind of been making it there every weekend. I'm so into the yarn. Did not buy any yarn today because I know I have some friend mail that includes some yarn sitting at my house waiting for me to unbox. So I passed up on the yarn, but I did look. I always look. And think about all the things that I want to make. I worked on my blanket, my corner to corner crochet along blanket that I'm doing with the Crafty Heifer. I worked on that this morning, finished row 3, stumped on how to get started on row 4. Gonna have to pull up her video and watch it. If you guys haven't started on her blanket, she has 3 videos that will get you through starting, what you need, how to start. I just have to keep referring back to them because it's me. So what did I find at Hobby Lobby? Ooh. So I've been totally lately into mindfulness. So I found origami for mindfulness. So this is not, this is take 2. I'm just gonna be honest. Here is take 1 with the origami. Haven't got a clue what I'm doing. I'm gonna give it one more shot. But this was a train wreck. Don't know what it was supposed to be, a heart. At some point, this was gonna be a heart. But I'm gonna, apparently this is a mid-level origami. There are 3 stars. This was a 2-star. We're gonna find a 1-star to see if we can make this work. Mindfulness, back to mindfulness. So just a little bit about mindfulness. And I'm trying to talk about this on my channel a little bit, you know, with everything that I'm doing, crocheting, diamond painting. It does help with anxiety, but you still need to be mindful of what you're doing. For that to work, you need to, you know, shut the television off, maybe put on some nice music while you're diamond painting or while you're crocheting, and just really enjoy the colors, enjoy the feeling of putting those diamonds on the canvas, not the feeling of taking them off and moving them to a different place because you put them in the wrong place. But I think you get what I'm saying. Like if you're eating, and certainly don't be eating while you're doing something else because then you're not being mindful. So basically being mindful just means to be like in the moment. Stop and smell the roses. So whatever it is you're doing, do it with all you have, you know, all your senses into it. And then it does help with anxiety. So how is this gonna help me be mindful? I don't know, but we're gonna give it another shot. So create and fold with these calming projects. Well, I don't know how calming this project was because I couldn't figure it out. So what I would like to do, I want to make this butterfly. This is a 1-star project. We're going to see. So just a little flip through, and I had to use my 40% off coupon to get this book. It was $19.95, so then I paid, I think I ended up paying $11 and something for the book. But in the back of the book, here, let me show you. Let me show you in the back of the book, they give you some different samples of paper to use for the folding. And here are the different ones, some samples and what they're called. So we're gonna pull those out and find the one for the butterfly. I love butterflies. I also love pink, but that heart just didn't work out. All right, where's the butterfly? Oh my God, look at some of these papers. I have to show you these papers, how gorgeous these papers are. Look how beautiful. These, you can color some of these papers. They're, see, like this one, you can color them, and that's what they're designed for. I didn't bring anything to color with, so we're not gonna do that. Ooh, look at that one. The little rabbits for Easter. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. Is that the one I need for butterflies? I don't know. Oh, what was that one? This one has little fishies on it. Too cute. Oh, and there's one that's colored with fishies on it. Oh, so, so cute. Okay, what else? What else do we got? It looks like everything. Oh, wow. Look at that piece of paper. Bamboo. That's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And then there's one that bamboo that you can color. Oh, look at that one. Look at that color. That's amazing. I don't know what project that is, but that's gorgeous. All right, let's find the one for the butterfly. I think it's this one, but don't quote me on that. So I want to put the rest away. Let's put these away. I hope you guys are having a great Saturday. It's always great when I don't have to go to work. Tonight is my live. This may go up before the live, or you may have already sat through the live. I hope if you've already sat through the live that you enjoyed it. Tonight is the Hooters and Heifers gang. We're talking about shopping our closets. And if you've already watched, then you know what that's all about. If you haven't, tune in. Okay, let's find the butterfly. We're gonna find that butterfly. Okay, here we go. Now here's the calming butterfly project. It's called Cho, C-H-O, butterfly. It's very easy to make, so create a lot of them in different sizes and papers to decorate your room. Ooh, maybe we'll make more than one. I think that's ambitious. Okay, so it is this paper here, this paper. So with the colored side down, fold the paper in half from corner to corner both ways. Fold the paper in half from corner to corner. Already stumped. Corner to corner. Oh, I see. Corner to corner. Duh. This way. Okay. So we're goodness gracious. All right. So we're all right. So what I'm going to do is fold it from corner to corner. You just have to do what it says, right? Right. Oh my gosh. This is why diamond painting is good for me, you know. It's not terribly difficult. All right, so I did the one. Now it wants me to open it back up and fold it the other way to the other corner. So we will do that. You guys probably did this in like, what, kindergarten or something? I don't know. I don't remember doing this. I do remember, like, do you remember when we used to take the bubble gum, not the bubble gum, but the chewing gum wrappers, and you would fold them all different ways and make those long necklaces? Okay, so I did that. Four corners there. So we got, it looks like the picture. I'm so excited. Now what? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, here's the hard part. Pick up the sheet and fold it into a triangle using the creases that you just made. Well, isn't that special? Using the creases I just made, make it into a triangle, like so. Does that look like so? Okay, now use the scissors to cut around one side point, then open the paper. I'm afraid. Wait a minute. Okay, I have scissors. Look, I've got my Happily Hooked magazine scissors. Love them. Okay, let's see. I just think they're really cute looking. All right, so we're gonna clip. Oh, I'm afraid. All right, here we go. Commit. There we go. We clipped. Oh, was I supposed to cut the whole thing off? I don't know. Oh, I was supposed to cut a curve. I just cut straight across. Okay, cut a curve. Well, all right, we're gonna make it into a curve. Don't worry, don't worry. All right, now it's curved. It's curved now. All right, man. Okay, Okay, fold the upper. Now what? Okay. Look, it's a butterfly. Now fold the upper flaps on both sides so that the bottom edges meet along the vertical line. What? What does that mean? Did I cut the wrong thing? Oh, hold on, maybe this way? Okay, yeah, let's go that way. I think they're leaving out some of these directions. Okay, now it looks like, okay, now what? Now fold the upper flaps on both sides so that the bottom edges meet along the vertical center line. Huh? What? All right, open out the paper. We opened out the paper after we cut the thing. Fold the upper flaps on both sides. What's an upper flap? Oh my God, how can this be so difficult? Yeah, so fold the upper flaps on both sides. Wait a minute, okay. So we're gonna go this way because that's what the paper looks like right there. That's what the paper looks like. Oh, maybe like this? I don't know. So that the bottom edges meet along the vertical center line. Oh, maybe that's it? I don't know. Let's see. So that the bottom edges meet along the vertical. I don't know if this is right. Oh, I'm doing it. I'm doing it, I think. I did something. I don't know if that was right or not. What the heck did I just do? Okay, now what? Okay. Now I have to do the, hold on. I don't know what I just did. That one went there. Oh, this one maybe? This, okay, let's do this one. What the heck am I doing? What is she doing? Okay. Okay, this way. Okay, so this way goes, wait, hold on. We're gonna do the same thing I just did, I think. Oh yeah, here we go. Here we go. So it meets the center line, and then it goes here. Okay, I did it again. Now what? I don't know. Just got a folded up piece of paper. Okay, now, okay, we're gonna put that there, like that. Nope. Like, none of this looks right. What? I wonder if I didn't fold it, if I didn't cut it in the right place. So like this, fold it into a triangle. Why is this so hard? I'm going back to diamond painting. It's a butterfly. Come on. This cannot be that difficult. Okay, here. Fold this down. Where? No. What? What? No, because here's what I think they did. I think they cut two ends instead of one. We're gonna go with it. We're just gonna cut another end like that because I can. All right, now it's probably it was wrong. Okay, wait a minute. Oh, hold on. No. Do. I don't know what I'm doing. But that was wrong. So, not being mindful, am I? What the heck happened here? How can this be? This is a 1 star. I swear. Look, guys. Difficulty rating 1 star, and I can't freaking do it. This is so funny. Okay. There's like a little zip symbol. All right, let's go back to where we, just bear with me, Okay. All right, we cut the edges. Wait a minute, hold on. What? No, that was right. Cut the edges. Open the paper. Now, fold the upper flaps on both sides. Are you watching? Well, I did that, and then nothing happened. See, like this. Oh, like that, maybe? Like that? Oh, did I do it? Oh my God, I did it. Nuh-uh. Nuh-uh. What did I do? Okay, there. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. I think we got something here. I don't know if it's gonna be a butterfly, but I'm gonna make something. Look, I folded it some kind of way there. Look at that. And then we'll take this. I don't know what the heck I'm doing. Look, does it look like a butterfly? No, it looks like a frog. What? This doesn't look anything like what this, hold on. What? No. Turn the paper over. Turn the paper over. Fold the, oh, look at that. Turn the paper over, fold the flap down, okay. And then these come up. Oh, look at there. It might work. And these are up. Oh, what? She's getting it. Look at there. Look at there. Now what? Oh, don't ask me how I got here. Okay. Now we have to turn the page. This is dangerous. Oh, wait a minute. That's it? This is the butterfly? This is it. I made a butterfly. What? To finish, tuck the tip underneath the edge and press it into place. What? Tuck the tip underneath the edge. All right. This is a butterfly. Guys, thank you for coming on this mindfulness journey with me while we did origami butterflies. I will see you in the next video.